Hey y'all, wake up, man. Listen, and I was told this by an OG barber back in the day, right? And this was very, very vital. It helped me get to where I'm at. So when I receive game, I'm gonna pass it on back out there, right? So we had a barber that taught me a few things about cutting hair. At the time, he wasn't a barber. He just ran the school, right? Then I had another barber that actually cut hair, owns a shop. He worked as an instructor at the school, but he was still a full-time, part-time barber and shop owner, transitioning from a full-time barber. But all in all, his main income was from behind the chair. So he seen me learning a few things from the barber that ran the school, and he put me to the side. He said, "Let me tell you something." He's like, "Man, I'm not hating on this dude, none of that. But let me tell you something. You're gonna listen to a barber that cuts hair to put food on the table, or you're gonna listen to a barber who doesn't cut hair to put food on the table, but they just know a little bit about the game, right?" So I thought about it. I'm like, damn, okay. And this changed the whole trajectory of my barber career. First, I was like, damn, there's different type of barbers, you know? And I'm like, I didn't really get it at first. I'm like, what you mean? And I'm asking myself, like, what do we mean by that, man? And I thought about it, and it clicked with me later in my career. I'm like, I got it. See, a lot of y'all on YouTube, Instagram, y'all just on social media listening to barbers who doesn't actually cut hair to put food on the table. See, it's barbers out here, they like trolls, right? They're not actually behind the chair putting in the work. They can tell you about how to make a haircut look pretty, but they can't tell you how to retain clients. They can't tell you how to wake up in the morning and get in a certain type of routine as a barber, what type of shoes to wear, what you know what I mean? How to set up your work and family life, stuff like that. They can't tell you that because they really don't cut hair to put food on the table, right? They either shop owners or they just trolling the game trying to sell you things, and they really ain't a true barber, right? And they know how to pretty up the information and the ads and all of that, and then they have you buying stuff from them thinking it's gonna help you, but they not actually barbers who cut hair to put food on the table. And some of them used to, but they didn't even do it long enough to really get the essence of the game, right? They just know how to sell shit, right? You have to learn to stop listening to barbers who's only selling you shit. There's some barbers out here that's selling stuff. Like me, I have ebooks, right? And mentor calls, but I'm behind the chair every day, just like you. You feel what I'm saying? And any event where that changes to where income comes from other sources to where I don't be behind the chair every day. I got 10 years of experience from behind the chair every day. I went through adversity behind the chair. I went through divorce behind the chair. I went through the loss of a child behind the chair. Went to prison behind the chair, cut hair in prison, came back out, restarted my whole career, right? Near homelessness behind the chair, yeah. I'm not saying I'm better than nobody else. I'm saying I'm one of them barbers. I'm one of them barbers that cut hair to put food on the table, right? You feel what I'm saying? Not necessarily living paycheck to paycheck, because I save money, I got investments and all that. I'm saying this is my main source of income. I love what I do, and I turn out to behind the chair every single day. You feel what I'm saying? The knowledge I'm giving and the game I'm giving is the real deal. I'm not prettying up haircuts. I'm not doing one haircut here and there and showing you this is how you cut hair and all that. And I'm not knocking nobody for it. Most of my video are gonna be teaching you how to really be a barber, because being a barber is way more than just a haircut. You feel what I'm saying? It's a mindset and it's a lifestyle. I see a lot of y'all go hashtag barber life, right? You hashtag barber life, but do you really want to live this barber life, right? I'm talking about before you make the money, before you get the followers, before you start cutting the celebrities, before all the glitz and glam. I'm talking about when you grinding. Do you really want barber life, right? Ask yourself that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not knocking nobody for what they do. Follow barbers, get educated by barbers who actually turn out to behind the chair. And that's how they put food on the table. Because they got information to give you that's gonna help you retain clients and have a long career, a long, productive, lucrative, beneficial barber career, right? Teach how to make connections, how to have a mindset, right? How to grow, how to increase, how to increase your prices over time, and not just popping out doing $200 cuts on ball players, right? We're not here to sell you that. We're here to give you the real game, right? Real talk. So understand, get your game from barbers who actually cut hair and put food on the table. Stop getting your game from people that just troll in the barber game, who just see our industry and just see opportunity for them to make some money. They put up a red and blue barber pole, and then they sit down in front of a computer and tell you how to be a barber. Watch those people, pay attention to that, man. Listen, y'all like the video, share it. Share it to other barbers you think need to hear this. Comment and subscribe. Most importantly, wake y'all asses up.